Have you ever wondered if using a buy now, pay later service like Zip Pay could impact your chances of securing a home loan? It's a common question among prospective homeowners, and in this video, we'll delve into the details and provide you with a clear understanding. Let's start by understanding what Zip Pay is. It's a popular financial tool that allows you to make purchases and pay for them over time, often in interest-free installments. While it can be a convenient way to spread out payments, the question remains, does it have any implications for your home loan application? While Zip Pay itself doesn't directly affect your home loan application, your credit score does. And since Zip Pay reports your payment history to credit bureaus, it can indirectly impact your credit score. How does credit score matter? Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess your risk as a borrower. A higher credit score generally indicates a lower risk, which can lead to better interest rates and more favorable loan terms. How Zip Pay can impact your credit score. Late payments. If you miss a Zip Pay payment, it can be reported to credit bureaus as a late payment. This can negatively impact your credit score. High credit utilization. Using a significant portion of your available credit can also lower your credit score. If you have multiple credit accounts, including Zip Pay, and you're using a large portion of their credit limits, it can be seen as a riskier financial situation. Key factors to consider. Payment history. Consistent and on-time payments on all your credit accounts, including Zip Pay, can help improve your credit score. Credit utilization. Keep your credit utilization low. Ideally, aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. Length of credit history. A longer credit history can positively impact your credit score. If you've been using Zip Pay for a significant period, it can contribute to your credit history. Tips for using Zip Pay responsibly. Pay on time. Always make your Zip Pay payments on time to avoid late payments and negative impacts on your credit score. Manage credit utilization. Monitor your credit utilization and avoid using too much of your available credit. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about the potential impact of Zip Pay on your credit score, explore other financing options that might be more suitable for your home loan goals. While Zip Pay itself doesn't directly affect your home loan application, your credit score plays a crucial role. By understanding how Zip Pay can indirectly impact your credit score and taking steps to manage it responsibly, you can increase your chances of securing a favorable home loan. Remember, a strong credit score is a valuable asset when applying for a home loan. So, if you're considering using Zip Pay, be mindful of its potential impact on your credit and make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or would like to explore other related topics, feel free to leave a comment below.